Center seal sachet. 6 line. For sugar. Front portion, back portion. New shaped multi-track. Unwinding in left hand. Right side white line will be controlled from there and left side white line will be controlled from here. 1, 2, 3. 3 multi-lines are on ordered already. 4th multi-line and here it's 5th multi-line. Also, we have expertise in center seal sachet for up to 25 grams to 1 kg. 2-track machine for ice pops. Single track machines for spices. Single track machines for mehendi. Collar type machines for packing 5 kg and 10 kg wheat powder, atta. We are also now in 4-track condom packing machine. We now also manufacture tea bag machines. Floor wrap machines for packing diaper and stay-free napkin pads. Pick, fill, seal machines for packing zipper pouches. Collar type machines for packing masala, powder. Enough spare parts ready as per stocks. Brief look of plant. Empty area. All parts are designed in softwares.